In this episode, we're going to tour my small RV, the Little Guy Max. But more importantly, we're going to talk about specifications as well. Hi, I'm Randy and welcome to Randy's Adventures. Every Thursday, I help weekend warriors make every moment count because weekends are just too short. If you have questions, just leave them in the comments section below. I'll be sure to respond to you. And stay to the end of this video because I share some extra special RV hacks. We've got a lot of ground to cover, so come on, let's get this tour started. We're gonna begin talking about the kitchen area. Then we're going to go back to the bedroom area. We're going to talk about the refrigerator, the bathroom, and the dinette. And then we're also going to step outside and look at some of the features out there. So let's get started. The first thing I want to point out is all of the cabinetry in the Little Guy Max is light maple wood hardwood. And you've also got the option for dark walnut cabinets as well. It does have an 8-inch deep stainless steel sink, and the dimensions of the sink are 16 inches by 16 inches. And it does have a removable cutting board. It does have a pullable faucet, and it does have a spray feature on it as well. It comes with a 2-burner glass top stove with electric ignition. It does have a low profile, and that's great so that you can use this as extra counter space as well. And it does have a heat-resistant safety glass lid. The microwave is 1 cubic foot, and it is a stainless steel microwave, and it's got all of the additional functionalities that your normal microwave would have. There are 2 cabinets above the kitchen sink, and I'm going to leave dimensions to all of the cabinets in this trailer in the video description below. Below the sink, you've got this cabinet where you can put dish scrubs in, and then you've also got these 2 very large, deep cabinets below the sink as well. There are 3 sets of deep drawers. The top drawer comes with this built-in silverware tray. Lots of room in these drawers. The kitchen also has a ceiling-to-floor pantry. And this pantry has adjustable shelving. There's also adjustable shelving in this pantry as well. Another feature of the kitchen is the window. The windows have a screen that can be pulled down, or it's got a nightshade that you utilize by just pulling up on it. And these are blackout shades, or very close to blackout. It gets real dark in here at night. To open and close a window, you simply loosen it on each side. Loosen it there, the window will come down. And to lock the windows, you simply turn the knob. The trailer has a 4 cubic foot stainless steel fridge and freezer. We've got freezer space up here. This refrigerator is made by Dinette. The refrigerator can be run off of AC, DC, or propane gas. And then you've got temperature control here with 5 different levels. And directly above the refrigerator is another storage area. Below the refrigerator is another deep, big drawer. The kitchen has 2 lights on the ceiling, as well as a light underneath the top cabinets. So there's an overview of the kitchen in this small RV. And for a small RV, I think we've got a lot of good use of kitchen space. The bedroom does have a true queen size mattress, which is 80 inches by 60 inches. One of the best features of the bedroom is the stargazing window. And you've also got a second window over there as well. It does come with a custom mattress, and the mattress has a 5-inch pillow top on top of it. There is also a dedicated wardrobe cabinet. This cabinet also has adjustable shelving that can be moved. It also has a rod to hang your clothes. There is storage space here in the bedroom, and there's additional space on this side as well for storage. There's also a device charging center here with a plug-in, and then we've got 2 USB ports. And on each side of the outlet is additional storage space. The bedroom also has a 24-inch TV as well as a sound bar. And this TV can be pulled out from the wall, and it does have a swivel behind it as well, so you can turn the TV in any direction that you want. In addition to the 2 recessed lights that we've got there are also lights here for reading, and these are movable as well. Directly below the bed is another drawer for additional storage space. The bathroom is what is referred to as a wet bath, meaning that the toilet and the shower are all in the same area. The shower itself is 26.5 inches deep, as well as 6.2 inches tall, and it is 41.5 inches wide, for a total of 47 cubic feet. It does have an ITC shower head that also has a 3-function sprayer, and it conserves water at 2.2 gallons per minute with an on-off switch. It has a marine style toilet with a pedal flush, and it does have a higher profile. The bathroom does have a fantastic fan. On the outside is a tinted dome cover that you can open. And the fan does have 3 different speeds. The dinette area is 32 inches deep and 76 inches wide. And this dinette area also converts into a bed. And the bench cushions are marine grade vinyl seat covers. On this side of the dinette is extra storage as well. And this storage goes all the way back, and it's the length of the bench. And on this side, underneath this bench, is the hot water heater. There's an outlet down here below this bench, as well as another outlet over here with 2 USB ports as well. On each side of the dinette are additional cubbies for space. This table is movable, and it also can be brought outside. To lower the table so we can convert the dinette into a single bed, we simply pull out on this lever, and then the table will come on down, and it just slides right in like that. Then we simply take the cushions and lay them across the boards and the table. The dinette area does have an additional 24-inch HD TV that uses an electric lift. The TV in the dinette is also removable and can be used outdoors, and I'll show you that too in a few minutes. The dinette area also has 2 recessed lights as well as 2 additional reading lights. One in this corner and then another one right over there. We've got 3 windows in the dinette area. And then above the windows, we've got some additional cubby space for extra storage. Let's see. It comes with the Furion stereo system, and this stereo system also has Bluetooth capability, MP3, MP4, DVD, and it's also got an HDMI hookup here as well as a USB outlet. This stereo system also has outdoor speakers. You can choose to play the system indoors and outdoors, or just outdoors, or just indoors. This is the system control panel where you've got your water heater that you can turn on and off, as well as your LP gas, your water pump, your interior lights, and your exterior lights are right here. Here in the control center, we've got a touch screen. This will tell us how full our fresh, gray, and black tanks are. Next to the stereo system and control panel, we've got another outlet. There is also some LED accent lights that you can turn on here, and that gives you accent lighting up above the kitchen cupboards and accent lighting below the kitchen cupboards. And you can dim them as well by pressing down or press up to brighten them up. This trailer also comes with a king jack, which is a TV antenna. Before we go outside to look at some exterior features, I wanted to show you the built-in screen door. It's nice how it just tucks away back in the wall. The door also has a window that can be opened. Let's go outside and check out some of the exterior features. This trailer has an aluminum entry step. The outdoor lighting controls are here. So let's turn on the awning light. And that's what the awning light looks like when it's turned on. We also have the optional full crown awning, and that awning is 6 feet and 3 inches. And there also is a porch light. There's also a light underneath the front door. I had mentioned that the TV in the dinette area is removable. That's because it can be placed on here and you can watch TV outside. It also comes with 2 Furion speakers, and these are the speakers for the outdoor sound that's controlled by the control center. And this is the connection for the TV. And we've also got an exterior outlet with 2 more USB ports. This is our exterior storage. This storage goes all the way through to the other side of the trailer, and it's got 35 cubic feet of space, and the door opening is 13 inches by 30 inches. The outdoor storage also has LED lights. Another feature is an outdoor shower with a shower head. There is also a separate compartment for your black water hose. Next up, I've got 4 RV hacks that I think you're going to be interested in learning about. I'm putting a link to that video right there, so be sure to go check it out.